When we reflect and visualize our greatest versions of ourselves, then the outside world has no choice but to mirror that effect. Thoughts drive your emotions, and your emotions drive your stimuli to things happening in your life. Whether positive or negative, good or bad, your genie in the lamp is going to give you your wish desire. When we say we're a chaos being, we're placing the potentiality on our ability to manifest from within. You're conscious of your inner world and understanding of your outer world being a reflection of within. You're talking to a person that likes to bring drama and messiness your way. You should first ask yourself, okay, why am I reflecting this kind of energy? What part of me likes the mess, the drama, or the hating frequency that this person is exuding to me?